how to fix Microsoft Edge is not working in your Windows 11 PC. So my friend, last night in my PC Microsoft Edge was crashed and now I have fixed it at morning after meditation. Let me explain you that how I fix this, and you can also fix this within easy 3 simple steps. The very first step is on the top right, click on 3 dots, go to settings, and first of all you have to sign out. Keep remember that all your history, favorite and other password will removed. Once you sign out, then on the left side click on these 3 lines, setting menu, scroll down a little bit and here you can see this reset setting. This is your second step. Click on reset settings. Once you do this second step, now the third and last step is simply close this and come to control panel. Here you can see programs. Click on uninstall a program. Here you will find Microsoft Edge. Simply double click on that. You will find this repair option. Click on repair, and my friend, this blue line will start from 0 to 100%. You have to wait for it. It will automatically download and install it, and you can see right there, once it will complete, your Microsoft Edge will definitely fixed. In my case, I have already fixed it, so I am not doing this process again. I am just closing it, but you have to do this. And don't worry if in the first trial it give you an error, so don't worry, because you have to do this process 2 or more time and definitely your problem will get fixed. My friend, this is for today. I hope this video helps to you, and if it did, so make sure to give us a like and also may consider to subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell so that you, my friend, cannot miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.